Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect a Debian VM that's running on VMware Workstation to the Wi-Fi network. Now I'm gonna be connecting this to the same Wi-Fi network as the host machine. And the host machine in my case is a Windows 11 machine. Now this is a Debian 13 VM. And in order for me to connect it to the Wi-Fi network, I need to change a few settings. First thing I need to do is to figure out what the name of the Wi-Fi interface is on the host machine. Now on the Windows 11 machine, the bottom right, there's this Wi-Fi icon. If I right click on it, I can go to Network and Internet Settings. Then here I have the name of the Wi-Fi, and I can click on this arrow here. And then this is the properties for the Wi-Fi. Click on the arrow again and scroll down. You'll see the description. This is the name, Intel R Wi-Fi 6. Now this is the first way to figure out the name. You can also use the control panel. You can just open the control panel, and then you can go to Network and Internet, go to Network and Sharing Center, then click on Change Adapter Settings. Here you'll see a list of all the interfaces on your machine, and for the Wi-Fi, this is the name right here. Okay, now that we know the name, we can go to the VM, right click on the VM and go to the settings. Then you want to go to Network Adapter and make sure you have the bridged adapter selected. Just make sure you're not using NAT, because with NAT you're just sharing the IP address with the host machine. With the bridged adapter, we will be able to get an IP from the wireless router that's unique just for this virtual machine. So I'm gonna close this. There's another setting we need to verify before we can move forward, before we can power on this virtual machine. Let's look at another setting on VMware Workstation. If you go to Edit, there's this Virtual Network Editor. We'll open it and then click on Change Settings. Yes. And then it should pop here. Click it. And this is for the bridged adapter, this is what it's using right here. VMnet 0. And the external connection, this is what's selected. So this is the name of the Wi-Fi interface that we were determining earlier. This is where you would select it. So here again is you have the bridge adapter, but you have to select from the list of the interfaces on your host machine. So you see there's quite a few. The ones that we saw using the control panel, they're all listed here. There's the one for the wired interface, and then there's this one which is for the wireless interface. So that's the one you'll need to select. So make sure you have the correct one selected. And then you'll need to click Apply and then click OK. Okay. Now we can power on this virtual machine. And what we'll do is, once it's powered on, we'll verify that we're on the same subnet as the host machine, but we should have a unique IP address. So on the host machine, I can open the command prompt and just do IP config. So, and down here you'll see for the wireless or the Wi-Fi interface, this is the IP 192.168.1.120. So the last octet on this VM should be different than 120. So I'll just log into this Debian machine, and I'll go ahead and open the terminal. I'll just check the IP using IP address command, and sure enough I have an IP of 192.168.1. That's the same subnet as this machine right here, but the last octet is different. It's 174, which makes it possible for us to ping this device and even to SSH into it. So let's go ahead and see if we can ping it. So I'll ping 192.168.1.174, and I'm able to ping it. Okay, and you can also verify for internet connectivity here. You can ping a site. So I'll send 3 pings to google.com. So I sent 3 packets and I received 3 packets. Okay, you can also use a browser. You can go to say bbc.com. and I'm able to. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect your Debian 13 VM that's running on VMware Workstation to the Wi-Fi network. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.